How do you enhance steering feel of a 2013 B&a-half all-road? Very easily. First you make sure your front control arm kit is good. If it's not, you install our density line control arm kit. You do our springs. So our Dynamic Plus springs will lower the all-road, the S4 springs. And then you do our front rear sway bars. And that, or you can do just the rear if you want a more lively tail hoppy setup. But that will transform the steering feel of your car. And then if you want to take it a step further, install our adjustable front upper control arms and dial in about 2 degrees of camber. And assuming you have some decent tires, like not 15-inch, tires. I'd say I think on that you're going to be like a 40 to 35 series tire. It's going to be a very nice handling, very nice steering car, completely transformed from stock. If you have any questions about that, shoot us an email, sales@034motorsport.com.